This is avocado shake and it's so yummy. Kain tayo mga mangko.
Yung tilapia. Dito siya.
The crispy tilapia is so yummy.
In tamarind sauce.
Thank you po. Enough na anak. This tom yum soup with shrimps. It's so yummy. Sour taste na may pagka-spicy. Yum yum.
With coconut milk.
With coconut milk yung flavor niya.
Tsaka sila.